Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm gonna take you to Alan Walker's concert in India. Yeah, he's doing a full India tour in his concerts, and today he is in Gurgaon area mall, which is just 5 minutes drive from my home. So obviously we wanted to go there, and Alan Walker has always been my one of my favorite singers. So I definitely did not wanted to miss this chance, and so we are heading there, and there is lots and lots of traffic. We were stuck in traffic for almost 15 minutes, otherwise it just takes hardly 3 to 4 minutes to reach there. And there is heavy security outside the mall, and lots of people are heading towards the mall, and it's so crowded. I've never seen this mall so crowded. Obviously people from all over the city, like in Delhi and NCR, everybody is coming here. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the whole show today and how you have to get in and all the details about the Walker show tonight. And he's here for Sunburn Arena Fest. So these are the ticket counters over here. The box office is on the left hand side, right outside the mall. So we already had our tickets, VIP tickets. So we are heading towards the VIP ground, which is right next to the stage. I particularly wanted to see the concert right like next to the stage. So VIP ground was the best for that, and they had like family places also, which was quite away, but yeah, it was, the stage was quite visible from there also, but it was not right next to the stage. So the VIP ticket worked best for me. So it was all full show. You can book your tickets from Book My Show, and it was all sold out for the night. So, guys, this show was, I just want to tell you one thing beforehand only. Like, this show was worth it, completely worth it. I really had a great time over here. And since only me and my husband went there, so people were there in big groups with their friends. So, I was initially thinking whether we will be able to enjoy or not, but we had a great time. So there is a very big ground behind area mall, like it's a part of area mall only. When we go, like you enter the mall in the ground floor, and you have to take the elevators in the basement area there, and from there you keep walking, and then suddenly when the open ground will come, it's so massive, the place is so massive, and a lot of concerts happen here. In fact, now since Navratri has started, so there is a very big, like India's largest, they are saying, after Ahmedabad, the largest Dandiya show is going to happen over here. So they organize lots and lots of events over here. Yeah, this is the family area. You can see there the place is little elevated. So it's a family zone area where there are tables for 8 people, 5 people, 6 people. It's like that. And over here, this whole place is for VIP. This is all VIP area, which is right next to the stage. So right now, there is time for Alan Walker to come. So we wanted to just check out the place. So this is a place where you can buy Alan Walker's t-shirts and hats, caps, and the hoodies and all. And over here, there is a massive counter of alcohol, and you can buy whiskey, beer. So you have to take the token on the right hand side, and you can also scan your wristband, and then you can buy whatever you want. But there was a massive queue. This is something I really don't like, because the crowd was in thousands, but over here there were just 3 people standing here who were like recharging your band and all. So little bit of mismanagement happened in the end, and suddenly the we were standing in a queue for almost half an hour to buy the drinks and food, and suddenly they announced Alan Walker's entry. So most of the people, they just left the stalls and they rushed towards the stage. And see, this is such a long queue. This is one thing I did not like about the show. They would have organized for more people over here, so that we don't have to wait for long time in the queue. Yeah, that was the only thing. So they have announced the Alan Walker's entry, and just wait and watch the show, and I'll see you in the end of the vlog. Thank you.
Remember to keep your hands and feet inside the ride at all times. Have fun, Walker. Step into the
So, guys, I must tell you, I had a great time here. Alan Walker made sure that each and every person in the public was enjoying his music, and he played so well. He played best of the music. He had two more artists along with him, named Sophie and one more, and even Preetham joined in the end. It was worth it. And I attended any concert in my life for the first time, and I wasn't sure, like, we were not there with friends and all. We were just me and my husband, so I was thinking whether I'll be able to enjoy or not. But we had a great time. People around us were making us enjoy so much. And yeah, and Alan Walker is one of my favorite singers from a long time, so I never wanted to miss this chance. So I had a great time, and the money which you'll spend is definitely worth it. So next time if you get a chance to watch his concert, don't miss it, because you are definitely going to enjoy his show. Thank you. So guys, have fun and enjoy my video, and enjoy the music of Alan Walker, and cheers guys. See you later. And guys, sorry I won't be able to add the sound, the original sound to my video, because there is a copyright issue in YouTube. So you won't be able to, I won't be able to put the sound, otherwise my video will be banned. And otherwise it was a great experience. You can just watch the video, enjoy. The stage was so fascinating. They had a perfect lighting over here, and the graphics over here was so fascinating. It was looking like you are in some other world. And uh, Alan Walker was so amazing. He played so well, guys, I can't tell you. And we got the chance to stand in the front area and watch Alan Walker from very close by. And the people in crowd were so cheering, they were so nice. We had a great time here. And yeah, so just you can enjoy the video, and I'm sorry about the sound, won't be able to add it. But yeah, I'll be sharing my Instagram account, so you can follow me there. So I have posted many videos over there. So yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned guys for my next vlog. And for more of such videos, please like, subscribe and share my vlog. That's it. Just enjoy the video. Thank you.
Thank you for showing the best. Thank you guys so much for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Alan Walker. This is Breakdown. This is Robin Buckland. And this is Sophie Down. And together, we present to you guys, Local World Tour, Minelli. Thank you so much. Now, let's get a family photo. So, again, look at the photographer right here. And on the count of three, let's scream as loud as we can. Alright? Are you ready? Okay. On the count of three, are you ready to take on? Yeah, that's good. Alright, on the count of three. In 1, 2, 3! Incredible. My name is Alan Walker. Thank you guys so much for coming out here tonight, Daily. Thank you so much. Get home safe. I love you all. And thank you so much for this opportunity. It's always great for on behalf of my entire team and all of us to make this show possible. It wasn't possible. This show would not have been possible without you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye now.